Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to make vertical text in Google Docs. In order to do that, we have to use a tool named Draw. Go to the Insert and then click Drawing and then select New. Once it is loaded, you'll be able to click here, the text box. Click the text box and then write down the thing that you want to be vertical. We'll go with vertical and we'll make it a little bit bigger. We'll make it 30. Sorry. Okay. And after that, select the text box and click here, this little thing, and you can rotate it. So see, so this is how you rotate your text. And after this, you can click Save and Close. And see, this is how you rotate your text in Google Docs. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.